In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale a photo using Canva AI effortlessly and in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and transform your low-resolution images into high-quality masterpieces. To begin with, you'll want to open Canva, which you can access directly from your web browser. If you haven't already, take a moment to create an account or log in so you can save your work, share your projects, and access a wide range of tools that Canva provides. Once you're on the home page, locate the option that says Create a Design. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu where you can specify the size of your design. It doesn't matter which size you choose at this stage, so pick any template that suits your initial needs or simply select a custom dimension if you have a specific goal in mind. Now, with your blank canvas ready, it's time to bring in the image you want to upscale. You can do this by dragging and dropping your chosen low-resolution image right onto the canvas area. This intuitive step ensures that your image is positioned correctly, ready for editing. Once the image appears on the canvas, click on it to reveal more editing options. Look towards the toolbar, and you will see an Edit button. Give that a click. This action sets you up for the next exciting part, upscaling. In the sidebar that opens, you'll find a search bar. Type Image Upscaler in there. Canva AI provides various add-ons and editing tools, but today our focus is on using the Image Upscaler, so type carefully to find exactly what you need. Once the Image Upscaler option appears, click on it. This is where you'll see the choice to upscale resolution. Selecting this option allows the tool to work its magic, enhancing the quality of your image significantly. After making your selection, locate the Upscale button and click on it. You might notice a brief delay as Canva applies powerful AI algorithms to increase the resolution of your image while maintaining clarity and sharpness. Your image is now upscaled and ready to be used however you like. To save it, navigate to the upper right corner of the interface and click Share. A drop-down will appear where you can select Download. Before you finalize, you'll want to choose your preferred file type. Canva offers PNG, JPG, PDF, and other options, so select the format that best suits your needs. Once that's done, click the Download button, and voila! Your high-resolution image is now saved locally on your device, ready to be shared with the world. With Canva AI, transforming an image is remarkably easy, whether for professional presentations, personal projects, or online content. Your visuals can now look sharper and more impressive without breaking the bank on expensive software. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out more tutorials for all your creative needs.